Hi, I'm Mark from G-Code Tutor. So this course will teach you how to program your CNC lathe using G-Code. Now it assumes that you've already done my foundation course, or at least you know the basics of programming G-Code before you start this one. So we're going to cover all aspects of programming your lathe. We're going to look at setting the datums, we're going to look at the Cartesian coordinate system and the polar coordinate system, how to lay out the program so other operators can easily follow. We're going to look at all the different types of drilling cycles, the G81, G82, G73, G83, etc. And we're going to look at all the centerline work. Then we're going to move on to looking at our spindles and subroutines. So we're going to work with our different planes, our G17s and G18s, and we're going to learn how to program subroutines to really speed up our programming. Now quite often programming with G-Code is way faster than using CAD/CAM to produce our parts. So after taking this course, you're going to be producing these programs much quicker than you can using your CAD software. So we're also going to look at multiple repetitive cycles. That's our roughing cycles in our facing cycles, pattern cycles, grooving cycles, and our finishing cycles, and all the different ways we can screw cut on a lathe, including tapered screw cutting using a G32. We're going to also look at some live tooling, how we do our cross-axis drilling, face drilling, etc. And the course finishes with a couple of self-assessments so you can practice and make sure you understood the contents of this course. So sign up today for this course and learn how to program your CNC lathe quickly and easily.